You're right. No, it's much scarier this way.
Quit turning around in circles.
No, I hear static.
That means it's near.
No, that means there's a tape recorder. Oh no.
Oh no. You can't see Jose because he's that black.
Born and raised in South Africa.
Nice.
Oh, see, I knew there was one here.
There goes his second tape. I give him luck for his survival.
I'm gonna pee myself. Probably should have peed before I played the game. What the fuck? He's no. Never mind, he's right there. I keep going in circles. I'm last.
Dude, it's coming out more often on you. Dude, stop doing it 360. That make
Xbox 360 for a reason, bitch.
Yeah, good luck with that. I believe this is around 8 minutes. Dude, when you pause it, it's still gonna move. Oh my god, don't do
It
that.
looks like Silent Hill, like so foggy.
Dude, don't do that. Don't be curious looking at strange things, Jose. I don't even think it's a good idea staying in the corner of the fence.
I hear static, that's why I'm staying in the corner. Coming from my left-hand side, but there's a fence over there.
I want to buy this game now.
Static is increasing.
Oh, shit.
Oh no! What the fuck? I didn't get over there! He was just over here!
I'm not gonna lie, that was a dick move.
Oh shit. Twice in a row, that did. Ah!
He knows you're there.
I'm just gonna grab this note and leave it alone, kind sir. Leave it alone.
Dude, just go. I saw his head turn. The more you look at it, the more that the head turns straight at you.
If I keep my flashlight off and stay perfectly still, he might not see me.
That is...